All right, we poured two cups. The first one I did the 4 mark, and that was way more foam than we needed. I can once it's dry, I can trim some out if needed. I just need it to hold the block in place, really. On this cup here, there's less than like a little fingertip left in there, and you can see it's still going. By the time it gets done, it'll be up close to the top of this cup also. So this is we use Total Boat by Flotation foam, sold from Jamestown Distributors, and use a little rubber mallet to tap the white styrofoam block back into place. Like I said, it's made from extruded polystyrene from the factory that is closed cell, so it's resistant to moisture, probably something like 98-99% resistant. So if you get a little bit of water in your boat, you sponge it out right away, drain it out through a drain hole, no problem. If we leave a boat full of water for over a season, it will eventually soak into the foam. So that's just cooking right along. The other one overflowed, and like I said, we've got probably at least double of what we needed on this inner side. We'll go back and carve some of that out, but it's only about a 3 to 4 foot strip of it, so we're good. And this is Skipper's 1965 Alcort Sunfish named Wave. See if I can walk backwards here without tripping on something. And what we did with the boat was a combination of our little work dolly and some lines. Just set her up on her chine and deck edge, and she's cooperated all the way through. She says the foam tickles. The bottom paint's done. Let that foam dry. What we need to do next is put the edge trim back on. Hope y'all are having a great day, and take care and staying safe out there.